Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook Refrigerated Bashi Pauruti Bhaja or fried refrigerated bread. It belongs to the category of food recycling. We can have some leftover breads in the fridge for many days. We can also have pieces of bread that no one wants to eat. Instead of throwing them away, we can make pakoras. It's a snack that can be served during any occasion. It's very tasty and filling. If you like this recipe, then please click the like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are refrigerated bread or Bashi Frige Pauruti 3, brown or white, cut into small cubes. Grated onion or piyaj korano 1.5 tablespoon, grated with a grater. Grated ginger or adha korano 1.5 tablespoon, grated with a grater. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro or dhone pata kuchano 1/4 cup. Crushed cumin 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander seeds 1 teaspoon. Crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option twice. Finely chopped green chili or kacha lonka kuchano 4. Salt to taste or noon shad anushar. Turmeric powder or holud guro 1/2 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder or Kashmiri lonka guro 1/2 teaspoon. Rice flour or chalet guro 3/4 cup. Besan or wheat flour or corn flour or cornstarch or any other binding material can be used. Carom seeds or jowan 1 teaspoon. Nigella seeds or kalo jeera 1 teaspoon. Fennel seeds or mori 1 teaspoon. Baking soda a pinch. Mustard oil or shorshe tel 3 tablespoon. Sunflower oil or sujamukhi tel 20 tablespoon. To make frigid Bashi Pauruti Bhaja, we first have to make a batter. For that, in a bowl, take rice flour about 3/4 cup, turmeric powder about 1/2 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder about 1/2 teaspoon, salt about 1/2 teaspoon, grated ginger about 1.5 tablespoon, grated onion 1.5 tablespoon, chopped green chili 4, chopped cilantro 1/4 cup, carom seeds 1 teaspoon, nigella seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, crushed cumin 1 teaspoon, crushed coriander seeds 1 teaspoon and baking powder a pinch. Mix well. Add water little at a time as per requirement to form a medium thickness batter or binder. I've added about 1/3 cup of water twice. Add more rice flour if required. To fry the bread pakoras, heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and about 20 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Mix and bring it to fumes. The recommendation is make a test pakora first, taste it, add whatever is required. My pakora is good, so I will make the rest of the pakoras. Take a bread piece again, dip it in the batter and coat it on both sides nicely with the batter. Drop it into boiling oil. Remember, put the bread in high heat, then fry in medium heat so that the bread is cooked from both inside and outside. Put pakoras as per the capacity of the pan. Do not overcrowd. Flip sides frequently to allow frying of the pakoras evenly on both sides. Have enough oil for the pakoras to float or immerse in the oil. Fry in medium heat till golden brown. With a straining spatula, strain the extra oil and put them on the rack or tissue paper to get rid of the excess oil. Transfer it to the plate with tissue paper. Fry the rest of the pakoras in the same process. Serve hot with sauce or chaat masala or rock salt or amchur powder and salad. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.